3D Experience platform brings organization teams, processes, and their data together in a cloud-based environment for enhanced collaboration. So it becomes important to organize the toolkit in the most efficient way so you can use the tools that are more relevant to your application. This is where 3D dashboard becomes very useful. So 3D dashboard is the interface that allows me to interact with the platform. You can customize the dashboard as needed. So I have multiple dashboards here, depending upon the project and tools that are relevant for that project. For the dashboard, you can customize the layout by using the tab. So it's the layout of the web page. For example, for projects, I have collaborative tasks and project planning apps that I can quickly access from the tabs that I have customized for this specific dashboard. I can look at the different projects, look at their status, go to the tasks, and check the progress, and also, if needed, change the maturity state right from within the dashboard. Another feature that I find very useful is the bookmark editor. Bookmark editor doesn't store the data, but it allows to provide a folder structure to organize the data, so I don't have to search for it. I can come to the relevant bookmark or the folder and customize the structure so that I can access the files accordingly. I can select the file, look at the file properties, as well as the maturity state right from within the bookmark editor. Another feature I find very useful on the 3D Experience platform is the Collaborative Designer for SolidWorks. It allows me to manage the SolidWorks data on the cloud and use data management tools to organize the data on the cloud. From within SolidWorks task panel right here, I can also access the data management tools and transfer the data to the cloud more efficiently. To further collaborate on product structures and data on the cloud, I could also use the Product Release Engineer application. This allows me to efficiently reuse the data and improve the product governance so that it adheres to the required corporate standard. Using the engineering release application, I can look at the data structure. For example, I can select any assembly, can look at the BOM, look at the maturity state for any particular file, and I can also change the states as needed. Besides changing the maturity state, I can select any of the components in the assembly and update the revision. So within the BOM, I can make a design change to the assembly by replacing the component revision. I could also assign materials as required, and then the BOM can be exported to the CSV right from here. Hopefully, some of these features that we showed in this presentation may be useful for your application on 3D Experience platform.